Hello there. Welcome to FarmLinkr.com, your online farmers marketplace where we link local farmers to greater markets for their fresh produce.
In today's video, we will be looking at some not so common things that are on FarmLinkr.com that can help you to differentiate yourself from other vendors and how to set up your payment and billing information.
So let's get right into it. So as usual, go to account. Then you'd go to vendor portal. Once here, you'd go to settings. Select options.
Let's say you are going on vacation or for some other reason you can't attend to the managing of your store or filling orders for a period of time. You would simply select Enable Vacation Mode and then indicate the time span for which you will be off. Then leave a brief message stating that you will not be available during that time period.
So here's a little secret trick. It's not really secret, but it's not so popular. Actually adding a store background. So this can actually help to improve the appearance of your store. So this can be a picture of your farm, your team, or you can go ahead like me and design your own background. So that's another tip. Use the tags to improve your visibility on the site.
Think about some words that customers will be typing in when they're searching for a store like yours. In our case, some of these words would be organic, exotic, herbs, spices, stuff like that.
Once you have done that, ensure that you save it. Once again, we'll go back to settings and we're going to go to billing settings. Do not forget to add this section to your store. Right, so what's the currency? Regardless of your choice of currency, all payments will be made in the marketplace currency,
which is Jamaican dollars.
So of course, you would select and you'd enter your banking details. So let's see, business bank. So of course you put in your account type, the name on the account, the branch, as well as your account number, and you save. Another little quick tip or information that I think would be really good for you to know is that you ensure you keep on checking your inbox. So you do so by selecting this envelope right here to read all. I don't have any as yet. You could also select orders to keep track of your orders. And when you do receive an order or message, we also send you an email notification. So thank you so much. I hope this demo would have been valuable to you. Thank you very much from the FarmLinkr team.